Hello everyone, this is Vilma for Redesign with Prima, and today we're gonna flip this cabinet. So this is the second time I flip this record cabinet. So I just clean it up, sand it off, and using a paint named Parchment. And this will be my primer. So I did 2 layers, and this is the results. How it looks now. Now my plan is to go and make a blending. So I'm mixing 2 colors, Inglenook and Casement. So I'm using 3 brushes. These are flat brushes, so these are easy to use to paint, and in my favorites, and for blending these are awesome. So I'm just starting by using the first color all around the cabinet, and eventually I'm using a water spray, and in the center I'm using Casement. This is a white paint, so try to blend in all these 2 colors together, as you can see on video. So I will be using another brush. It's a flat large brush to blend all these colors together. So I did this to all the cabinet, the front door, on the top of the drawer, and on the side. So I did these 2 layers. I'm using one of the newest Decor Poly ethereal bouquet, and you're also using the same paint, Inglenook from Fusion Mineral Paint, and doing like a dry brush, try to cover the Decor Poly, but leaving underneath the original color of the poly, that is dark brown. To attach this Decor Poly, I like to use Gorilla Good Glue. This is one of my favorite adhesive, but there's a lot on the market that you can use. Applying all over the back of the poly without excess. Now place your poly on your furniture and just press it down. You can use some tape or some clamps to hold your poly. Also remove all the excess of the adhesive with a small brush that you may have. Then I will be adding a dry brush of the same paint, Casement. I'm using this brush, this wax brush from Redesign with Prima. This is brush number 2. And also I'm just adding some on the edges, some dry brushes with this Casement paint. Now it's time to add a beautiful small transfer named Blush Symphony. And this is also one of the newest designs, such a beautiful and delicate roses. So this is a set of 3 sheets where you can create your own design easily without any effort. Just let your imagination blow away. So after planning my design and cutting the transfers, now I'm attaching these transfers by glue on. You just need this good stick that already came with your transfers, and soon you'll be creating unique designs on your projects. You can seal your transfer with a water-based sealer, also with clear wax, but I prefer the water-based sealer. Almost done with this project, but I'm missing something on the top drawer, and this stencil I'm using today is perfect to this design. Read My Glitter from Finever is the name of this stencil. I'm also using chalk paste in chalky white and a silicone brush from Redesign with Prima. For final touches, I'm using a decor wax named Celestial from Finever, and using my finger just to illuminate this floral bouquet. And now our project is finished, such a romantic and subtle finish with this design. I'm adding all products links on the description. Hope you like this project. Let me know in comments your thought. Thank you for watching, and Please give us a follow and like and subscribe to our channel today.